YouTube communities are a special space on your channel where you and your subscribers can chat, share updates, and stay connected. Both you and your subscribers can make posts from the YouTube app on your phone. These posts help everyone talk with each other and build stronger connections. As the channel owner, you can control who is allowed to post in your community. To turn on the community feature, open the YouTube app on your phone. Go to the U tab, tap View Channel, then tap the Edit button. Turn on the option called Your Community. After this, you'll see a button called Visit Community on your channel. You can then create a welcome post to greet your viewers and start the conversation. To make a post, tap the text box. You can write text, add pictures, create polls or quizzes, and more. You can also choose who can see the post, schedule it for later, or set a time for it to disappear. When you're ready, just tap Post. After setting it up, your posts will show in your Community tab and Post tab. If you allow it, your subscribers can also post in your community. People who are not subscribed can still see, like, and comment on posts, but they can't create their own posts. You and your viewers can sort posts by top, newest, or creators' posts only. You can change your community settings anytime. On your phone, tap Community Settings in the feed. You can choose if viewers are allowed to post or not. If yes, there are 3 ways to control their posts. None, no moderation; basic, some filtering; hold all, you check every post before it's shown. You can also make a rule that people must be subscribed for a certain time before they can post. For more settings, go to YouTube Studio on your computer, then go to Settings. Community Defaults. To check and approve viewer posts, go to Studio, Community, Viewer Posts. You can also delete a post or stop someone from posting by clicking the 3 dots on their post and choosing Remove, Report, or Hide from Channel. Your moderators, if you've added any, can help you manage your community too. Here are some tips for using the community feature. Post regularly to keep your viewers interested. Talk about things your community cares about. Mention fun things or jokes from your videos so people feel like they're part of a group. Like and reply to viewer comments. Be real, be yourself, and have fun. Share behind-the-scenes moments, ask for feedback, and learn what your viewers want to see more of. We hope the Community tab helps you connect more with your viewers. For more info, check the links in the video description. Thanks for watching.